Alrighty guys, welcome to Synconics. So we have created an automated workflow using Odoo n8n workflow automation platform and with WhatsApp. So basically, by using this functionality, you can directly able to communicate in WhatsApp through the AI agent with a proper message. If you will be traveling or in a hurry or on the go, this AI agent will simply work on your behalf without even opening Odoo screen, and it saves lots of your time. So let's jump into the video and see how actually it works. To create from the sales order here. Now it will get again people back to get started because asking for the customer, the product and the discount. So I'm reckoning like the customer name is the Marping Johns. Now it will search for the customer Marping Johns here. So there are two customers are fine. So which one is to take? So I reckon the second one is to be taken. So great. So I'm giving over here that he will like to have the tangents of the ad filter. And although he's our regular customer, so please provide him a healthy discount, like 10% discount to him. And then create a sales order for that. So I'm writing it down over here with this 10% discount. And boom, the sales orders has been successfully generated. And right now, I'm writing that can they send this quotation to the customer directly to them emailing. And this message will be get processed in Odoo, and it is asking for the confirmation of this email. Then I'm writing let here yes, go ahead and send it to the customer. Yeah, welcome to Hall tape. It's done. You can see that a successfully message. Now the Rand has replied me back for his answer, like hello Michelle, I'm happy with this quotation, but please make this figure a round figure of $2,000, and after that please confirm this sales quotation over here. So I will do this command indirectly into the WhatsApp without opening this Odoo screen over here, that please make this figure 2000 over here as the final figure. Now you can see that it has successfully done here, and the discount has been successfully updated. And let's check it out in Odoo how this record is shown in Odoo screen. So I will go to the Odoo screen and check it out for the reason. Just to cross check over here. Let me open the record like this, and you can see the discount has been updated, the figure has been also updated, the total amount has been done, and the logs are already to make it for the change. Right now, I'm writing over here, let's confirm this sales order now, right? And this command will be get processed through the AI agent, and the order will be done. Now it is asking for the confirmation. Are you sure want to proceed? So I will write it down like, yes, please confirm this order. So over here I'm writing like yes, please confirm it. All right. It's done now. The sales order has been successfully confirmed. Now let's check it out at the Odoo site. So now thank you. Let me go to the Odoo screen. Let me refresh the page. And done.